All right, this is our third and final model here at Kekainani, and this one's called the Ilima model, and it's a beautiful single level residence. So if we're getting older in age and we don't want to deal with stairs, or maybe we just have a smaller family, this is going to be your 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom floor plan. That's really great, and it's got a huge great room and something I really love for entertaining and just having a space that everyone can hang out together. This one is the one for you, so let's check it out inside and see what we think. All right, this wraps up our video of our third and our final model of the Ilima here at Kekainani, and it's really just a great one. It's small, but it packs a punch, and great for those smaller families who don't need all 5 bedrooms. Again, you still have 3 full bathrooms and a half bathroom, so a private bathroom for every single bedroom. And then just realizing, like, this whole time I've been in here, you can't help but be magnetically pulled to look at the ocean. There's just something about seeing it in your sight at every room and every bedroom that you just want to stare out at it. The colors and everything, it's just something you see in every single room. So really great space. Again, the great room behind me is expansive and perfect for entertaining. I can see so many parties being held in a floor plan like this. So if you guys have questions, be sure to reach out, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not yet, because we publish a new video every single Friday all about Oʻahu and things coming to the island. We'll see you soon.